Hey, this is here, it's Joey at Best Trailers. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up your door on your dump trailer. This is the two-way opening door, so it swings open like a barn door, your basic setup, and dumps open like a spreader gate. Now, basic lever here for the barn door just opens it up sideways here. But on a down dirt trailer, you got two latches, one on each side like this, and then a chain to control the dump. You got a little banjo eye in there to keep hook the chain to. You just gotta make sure you hook it up the same on both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should be about the same. And then dump it open. You can pull the door sometimes and check how much it is. That might be a little bit much. I'm gonna adjust this one down a little bit more. I'm gonna keep this one open because I got some big chunks of asphalt milling in here. It's probably gonna screw up my dump, but we're gonna try to spread it.